Hello students, I am Janet D'Souza, your science teacher. Welcome back to the new academic year 2021-22. Today, let us learn the first chapter in physics, that is electricity. In our day-to-day life, we use a number of gadgets such as TV, washing machine, mixer grinder, etc. All these gadgets work using electricity. Electricity has an important role in modern society. It is a convenient form of energy for a variety of uses in homes, schools, hospitals, industries, and so on. What is electricity? Do you know? To understand this, let us recall an activity you conducted in your lower classes, that is static electricity. When a plastic comb or pen is rubbed with dry hair, it attracts pieces of paper. Why? What is the reason behind this? We know that each and every substance is a matter. Matter is made up of atoms. Atoms have positive and negative charges. Comb is made up of plastic. Plastic is a non-conductor of electricity. When you comb your hair, electrons from the hair move to the comb. Electrons are negatively charged. In the paper, there are both positive charges and negative charges. The negative charges of the comb attract the positive charges present in the paper, whereas the negative charges of the paper repel away from the comb. This flow of charges is temporary, hence it is known as static electricity. We know that flow of water is known as water current. Similarly, the flow of electric charges is called electric current or electricity. Define electricity. The flow of electric charges is called electric current or it is called electricity. You can see a piece of conductor in the screen. Q are the charges passing through the conductor. Types of charges. We know that there are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. Students, please note, like charges repel each other, whereas unlike charges attract each other. We know that flow of electric charges is called electric current or electricity. Do the charges flow by their own? No, they do not flow by their own. When the terminals of a conductor are connected to a cell, the charges start to flow. In a torch, cells provide the flow of charges. In a torch, cells, when placed in proper order, provide flow of charges or an electric current through the torch bulb to glow. Students, note the arrangement of cells in a torch. The positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. When the conductor is connected or the two ends of the conductor are connected to the cell or battery, the charges start to flow. Look at this arrangement. A battery, bulb, conductors and a key. These components are connected in an order. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. It is called an electric circuit. The components are connected in an order. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Define electric circuit. It is difficult to draw key, battery, bulb. So, these components are represented symbolically and a diagram is drawn. This is called circuit diagram. What is a circuit diagram? Schematic representation of a circuit by using the symbols of components used in it is called a circuit diagram. Define circuit diagram, or what is a circuit diagram? Schematic representation of a circuit by using the symbols of components used in it is called a circuit diagram. How do we express electric current? We know that electric current is the rate of flow of electric charges. If a net charge Q flows through any cross section of a conductor in time t, then the current I through the cross section is given by electric current is equal to electric charge divided by time. That is, I is equal to Q divided by T, where Q are the number of charges flowing through the conductor in the time t or in the given time. In a circuit, switch is used. What does a switch do? What is the function of a switch? A switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, named after a French scientist Henri-Marie Ampere. The instrument used to measure electric current is ammeter. In the ammeter, there are two terminals. Red is positive terminal and the black is negative terminal. The SI unit of current is ampere. What is 1 ampere? The flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second is called 1 ampere. If 1 coulomb of charge flows through a conductor in 1 second, then the current is said to be 1 ampere. That is, 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. That is 1A. 1 ampere is equal to 1C. 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. Students, it is enough for today. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.